And you can see with us is a delegation of members of parliament. But the key interest is Senator Karongo. So we are here because we were summoned. We want to see the person who was summoned us. We hope we're in the regional office, right?
Okay, we can enter.
Yeah.
Okay.
We are clear with the secretary.
Asanteni sana. Bwana.
We are not many.
Excuse me.
You are fortunate because you have the people who make immunizations and budgets.
Gari tutasimama. Hatuna shida.
You are ngapi?
We are not ready.
We shall start.
We are less than 10.
So anything beyond 10, I will not take.
Yeah.
Kwanza usalimie na utuombee jamani.
Nimekusalimia lakini unajua there's one we have issues of safety, we have issues of COVID.
But you see, we would have been more than this.
I'm not handling more than 10 people.
That's okay, we are not.
Wengine, so let me have
because I'm the lawyer and who has come with them. And each every person has a role to respond to.
and every person
It's either you admit us, you don't admit us.
na kila boma iko na sheria yake.
Then take us to a
And
bigger
the way
room.
we are.
Take us to a bigger room.
But kuuliza mkubwa, ukiangalia no.
Wacha tusikizane
Yeah,
hapo.
tunasikizana.
Wacha tusikizane hapo.
We are not more
I
than
will
them.
not allow the entire town.
Yeah.
Let me have
What is not town?
We are actually 9.
You cannot
Right.
call us.
And every person who is here has a role to play.
Yeah, we are not.
Hao wengine ni watu wa
Mheshimiwa kaa chini.
hao wengine ni watu wa miti.
Kaa chini. Haya. Kaa chini wewe. Wewe simama pande hii. Simama pande hii. Sawa. Wewe ni nani?
That's an advocate.
Wakili.
Yes.
Pita pande hii kidogo.
That's the media.
For the state. Wanangojea kidogo tafadhali. I'll be inviting you. Let me address
Don't let them hear the reason you have called us. but then you can go.
wakili ni boma yangu. Allow me to address this. I will have time with the media. There's no problem. I will talk to the media.
No, boss, I don't think you're being fair.
Alaf boss is your
These guys are working like you're working.
Yeah,
You have to allow them to do their job.
Ni vizuri tuelewane hivi.
You are public. You are public.
Okay.
Sasa karibuni sasa. Wakili wacha maneno mengi.
Ni kweli. We hope we're in the right place and we're not
Wakili wacha maneno
observing in the
mengi.
table room.
No, you know, this is the space you people
Obvious.
have
So
given me.
are we in the right place? Are we before the regional?
You are at the right place. Karibuni sana.
We're also in a public office, correct?
Yes. Of course.
Thank you.
It's a public place. It's a public office.
Yes.
Where the government has allowed me to work from to serve the public.
Yeah, that's
And
good.
in every environment, there are protocols. You understand that, Wakili?
As long as the same
Every
are
environment
compatible
there are
to-
protocols, and let us not breach that.
Yeah.
Because as much niko na waheshimiwa hapa, the safety is concerned, my own safety is concerned, and that is very important. We will not say hata sisi tukienda kwa mheshimiwa sio kila mtu atajazana hapo. It's always important.
Accepted.
You have complied.
Yes, compliant.
So karibuni sana.
Yeah.
You don't have your name tag, boss?
I will introduce myself.
Very good.
Karibuni sana. Dr. Mugambi is my name. I'm the Regional Criminal Investigations Officer, Central. Of course, najua wakili, mheshimiwa namjua, wakili namjua, mheshimiwa namjua. Can the rest introduce themselves?
Tuanze hapa.
So, tunaanza hapa.
Hapa kwangu.
Tukisonga hivi. Sawa? Yes.
So I'm your neighbor. My name is Neto. Mimi ndio senator wangu Nyandarua.
Senator alikuwa hapa. Na hata hujajua ofisi yako.
Najua.
Hapa mheshimiwa. Karibu.
Okay, I'm Nongari from Kiambu. Kiambu, yes.
Kiambu Leader. Nani mwingine?
I'm Daniel from here, Senator.
Sorry? A friend to the senator. Okay.
I'm Kalicho Joseph from Kiambu, Rari, sub-county.
Okay.
My name is Mheshimiwa Adama from Kiambu.
Jane is my name. I'm the senator for the Great County of Rari.
Wakili Gitari on behalf of Karongo, Senator.
Okay.
My name is Kawanjiro, Jubilee Youth Leader, Kiambu County.
Wajibu is jina inajulikana sana.
Hapana, si hiyo sio hiyo nasema.
Ni Kawanjiro. Thank you.
George Koimburi is my name, member for the constituency.
Okay.
Mheshimiwa Iganjo, kutoka Kiambu County.
They want you to
Amushamba Githunguri.
Peter Mwadi, former immediate former MP.
Are you introducing yourself to me?
Yes.
For the record also.
No, for the record. I also remember who came.
I'm also Karongo Alanga, Senator of Kenya.
Yeah. So if you allow me then to address some people yeah. We are
Just
Gee, safari ndefu jamani.